Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Second video of the week, as I promised you last week, and another challenge. In this case, I'm participating in the Useful DIY challenge that is hosted every month by MomDas from MomDas Life Handmade, and her co-host this month is Sarah Vanderkooy from Creative Ramblings. Please visit both their channels. You will find a lot of wonderful ideas. Both of them are wonderful ladies, very nice and very creative and talented. I will leave the link to their channels in the description box, and I will also leave the link to the playlist with all the videos that are going to be included in this challenge. So please visit that playlist also, and you will get a lot of inspiration. This month, this Useful DIY challenge is about using mason jars, and I love mason jars. I have a project that I'm going to show you immediately, momentarily, but first of all I wanted to show you other things I made with the mason jars. These two are covered with socks. That's something I really love, using mismatched socks or old socks to cover mason jars. In this case it's a candle. I just covered the mason jar, I glued the bottom, and I added this twine and these two bells that I have around. And I had these little thingies that are perfect to place the mason jars on top. This is another one, another version with another sock. I just use the same twine to go around and make a bow. Again, I glued with glue gun the bottom, and that's it. Very simple. This one is one I made last week for another challenge that I show you, or a couple of weeks ago, I don't remember. And I initially planned on filling it with chocolates, but then I decided that I was going to add fairy lights inside. And look how beautiful it looks. I'm going to turn the lights off, at least one of them, for you to see the effect. I hope you can see it better now. I really like it. I like it better than filled with candies or chocolates. These fairy lights, they have a timer. So I think it's 6 hours. Here it's written 6 hours on, 18 hours off. So you don't have to worry about turning them on or off and off. Okay. You can buy similar fairy lights, but solar ones. They are made exclusively for mason jars on Amazon, eBay, etc. These ones are from other mason jars from Michael's that they broke, so I ended up having the fairy lights. Sorry. So this is what I use for that mason jar, and I have two more of these for other mason jars. But you can find similar ones, those that are, you can charge them under the sun, as I said, online. Okay, let's move on to the project I have for you today. This piece of wood is one of those signs from Dollar Tree that have the little hearts that are kind of corrugated tin, metallic. So I use the hearts. If you watch my other videos, I made other projects with them, and I ended up with these pieces. So I painted the back with chalk paint, this one from Walmart, 2 or 3 covers, and now I'm going to use it as base for my project. My daughter and I said this before, but maybe you are not an all-time follower of my channel. My daughter and I, as I said, are dumpster divers. We have a channel. I will leave the link below if you want to watch some very funny videos of us showing the treasures we find in the dumpsters. And a few days ago we found this sign at, I think it's, I'm not sure, I think it's Joann's, maybe, yes, I think it's Joann's. Obviously this is broken, it had something here, maybe the word it, you, I love you, something like that. But I don't mind, I like it as it is, and I want to use it in my project. So I'm going to adhere this sign here. I'm going to use, I'm sorry, I forgot to turn the lights off again. Sorry about that. I'm going to use hot glue. Maybe I will reinforce this later with some E6000. But by now, for now, it's going to work. Okay. And I'm going to use this mason jar. And what I'm doing is I'm going to fill it. This is from Dollar Tree. And these hearts are also from Dollar Tree. They come with these tiny flowers. And I'm going to fill the mason jar with these hearts. So the first thing I've already done, I took these leaves and I glued them together, 2 of them together with hot glue, like so. It's hot. And then I placed it in the bottom of the mason jar to make a base for the hearts. Now I'm going to start filling the mason jar with hearts. I think they are really cute. I'm going to place 4. I'm going to try to turn this like so. I like this. And maybe I place another one on top of all of them. Okay, now I'm going to place some of these flowers. I took one of each peak or stem and I glued them together, and I'm going to place them inside the mason jar. Let me see. I like that. Okay, I like that. And then as a final touch, I'm going to use the fairy lights. Yes, I like it. Okay, So now I'm going to place the lid on, like so. This is the front, and I'm going to adhere the mason jar to the base. Again, I'm going to use hot glue, but maybe I will use E6000 later to reinforce it. Let me tell you that this glue gun is also from the dumpster, from Michael's. Sorry. Every time we go to Michael's dumpsters, we find glue guns. It seems, you know, they work with kids, and these guns are always surrounded by projects made by the kids that they after a while throw to the garbage. And it seems they finish working with the kids and they throw the glue guns away. We really don't understand why. This is the fourth one that we found. It's unbelievable. Honestly, it's unbelievable. Well, now what I'm going to do is to add more of these flowers, mainly, well, for a finished touch, but mainly to cover these marks that are the staples where the ribbon to hang the sign, because this was a sign, was stapled. So I decided I was going to cover it with these tiny flowers. They are very delicate. So let me see. I think this will go here. I'm going to place this one here. And this one here. And here the last one. Okay, I like this. So now I'm going to turn this around because I don't want to remove the flowers. And I'm going to try to glue them from behind. This takes a little bit of patience, and it will be finished in a moment. Well, again, I may be adding more hot glue later. I just want to finish this fast, not to make this video terribly long and bore you to death. But well, now you have an idea of how this looks when it's finished, and I'm going to display it. Well, you are watching this video after Valentine's. I'm filming it before Valentine's, so I'm going to display it in my home. I know where I'm going to place it. It's a window shelf that I like, and I really like how this looks. I'm going to turn the lights off again for you to have a better idea of how this looks with the fairy lights on. I think you can see better. And what if I turn all the lights off? Let me see. Let's try. Well, now you can see how the lights look. Of course you can't see the whole sign, but I wanted you to see the effect of the fairy lights. So let me turn the lights on again. And well, this is it for this challenge. I hope you like this idea and it may inspire you. Please, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you are not a subscriber already. Don't forget to ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And stay tuned because tomorrow I'm going to post another video because I am participating in another challenge with another DIY. Please visit the channels of the hostesses and the playlist. My God, what's going on with me today? And thank you so much to the hostesses for hosting this challenge. They are doing a great job and help us a lot. And thank you also to all of you for watching. Hope to see you tomorrow in my next video, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.